My dear students, how are you students? I hope everyone is fine at your home. And this is your second day class for the subject mathematics children. Before start our section, let us recall some concepts that we have discussed in our previous section. In your maths book totally you have 6 unit children. Among the 6 units we are dealing with unit 1. The name of the unit 1 is number system. In the number system we are seeing about numbers. In the previous section what we have discussed with children? Face value, place value, expanded form, Indian system. These are the things we have discussed in our previous class. I hope you are very well in this concept. Okay. Before start our section, I want to say one information about your homework children. I have seen your homework images and classwork images in WhatsApp. I am very happy children to see the images. Hereafter you have to send only the images of your homework only, not classwork children. Okay, so you don't think that hereafter we don't need to write the classwork. You have to write the classwork every day. You have to write the classwork neatly and keep it your home very safely. You will correct it later. Okay. Suppose you are doing your homework in 3 or 4 pages means take the images and select the 4 images at once and send all the images at once to the WhatsApp group. Do you understand what I am saying? Suppose you are doing your maths homework in 4 pages means you are having the 4 images in your phone. Select the 4 images at once and then send it to the WhatsApp group. Because if you are sending one by one image means if the image mingle with the other students. That's why I am saying like this. Okay. Thereafter you have to send your homework image only. Okay. Only few students commit mistake in the first sum. Okay. Now we are going to recall the first sum. Okay. Let us see some example for the first sum. Write the face value and place value of 2 9s in the given number. This is the sum I have given in your previous homework. Okay, what is the question they are asking? Face value and place value of 2 9s. Okay, what is the face value? As per the concept, the face value is the digit itself. So, face value of 2 9s in given number is 9. This is the answer for the first one. Next, place value of 2 9s. How do you write the place value? Few students commit mistake in that. That's why I am repeating it now. Okay. Now I give you a very easy method to write the place value. Okay. First, see the 9 where it is located in the given number. Now write the 9 as this 9. After 9, how many digits you have children? 2. So you have to add 2 0. Okay. Next, see where is the 9 located? It is located here. After 9, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add 5 zeros with this 9. Thus we get easily the place value of 9. Don't follow everyone this method children. Those who are struggling to write the answer only follow this method to find the place value. You have to write this step also along with this answer. I hope you understand this. Okay. Let us once again we are going to see about Indian system of numeration. Why we are once again we are going to see Indian system of numeration is today we are going to see another system of numeration. So after seeing that system of numeration, you may have confused with both the system. So to avoid that confusion, we are come strong with this Indian system of numeration. That's why once again we are recalling this Indian system. Okay, do you remember children how many periods in Indian system of numeration? Yes, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These are the 4 periods in Indian system of numeration. What are the place value comes under the period ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, very good. What are the place value comes under thousands? Yes, thousands, 10,000s. These are the place value comes under the period thousands. What are the place value comes under the period lakhs, 10 lakhs. What are the place value comes under crores, 10 crores. Now we are going to read the place value of Indian system at this stage. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Totally we have 9 place values children. Once again we are going to say the place values. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. You have to remember all these 9 place values in the Indian system of numeration. Before that, in Indian system of numeration, you must know the how to use comma. We have already seen in the previous class. Now we are going to recall it. How do you use the comma, children? Starting from the right, the first comma is placed after the first third digit. That is 1, 2, 3. Here we have the first comma. Then after every 2 digit we have placed in the next commas. Why we place this comma? You have to call this as a period. This is a period of crores, and this is the period of lakhs, and this is the period of thousand, and this is the period of ones. In today's homework, you have the one question like this. Okay, in the question what they are asking is you have to write the number and you have to place the commas as per the Indian system of numeration, and then you have to write the what are the periods coming in the number. Okay, now you say what are the periods coming in this number? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Suppose in the homework question if they given up to this like this means you have only the 2 periods. So in the question you have to write only the 2 periods, that is ones, thousand. Suppose in your homework question, if you have the question up to the lakhs period only, lakhs place value means in the question how do you write? Ones, tens, lakhs. For that sum also you have to mention the period of lakhs. Do you understand, children, what I am saying? So now we place the commas as per the Indian system of numeration. Now I tell you how to write the number name very easily by using the Indian system. Once the number is given to you, children, you first by using the pencil shortly write the place value of the given number. For ones you use the letter O, for tens use the letter T, for hundreds H, for thousand use TH because you are having T for tens. So you are using TH for thousand, and for 10,000 T dot TH, and for lakhs L, and for 10 lakhs 10 dot L, for crores C, and 10 crores T dot C. Do you have clear, children? Clear, children? Now we are going to say the number name for this given number. Okay, you have to read this period of number as whole. Okay, you have to read this number as whole. 1 3, that is 13, 2 4, 24, 5 3, 53, 0 1 2. So there is no place value here. So you have to read as 12. Now we are going to say the number name. While you are saying the number name for this, you are saying choosing one period, and you have to say the place value of the right hand side number. In 13, which is the right hand side number 3. What is the place value of 3? So crore. So you have to say the place value of crore only. That is 13 crore. Do you understand, children? In 24, that is the right hand side number 4. So you have to say the place value of 4 only. What is the place value of 4? Lakhs. So 24 lakhs. Here 53 on right hand side you have 3. What is the place value of 3? 1000. So you have to say the place value of 3 only, that is 1000. 53,000. Now we are going to say the number name for it. 13 crore, 24 lakhs, 53,000 and 12. Here you don't have 100 value, so you are saying, so you are using the conjunction and after the 1000 and 12. Once again we are going to say the name, children. 13 crores, 24 lakh, 53,000 and 12. I hope you understand, children. Thus today, children, we are going to see about international system of numeration. What is the international system of numeration? Before seeing the system, how to use commas in international system of numeration? Let us see. Starting from the right, commas are placed after every third digit. Do you understand, children? Once again, I am going to read this definition. Starting from the right, commas are placed after every third digit. Do you understand? That is, every third digit you are going to place commas. Let us see this example. Starting from the right of the number. Starting from the right of the number, count 1, 2, 3. Here you have to place the first comma. That is every means every 3 digit you have to put the comma. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Before you don't have any number, so you have to stop the comma up to this. Similarly, second one. Starting from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Before you have only one number, so you are stopping the comma up to this. I hope you understand, children. In Indian system of numeration, starting from the right, after the first digit we are placing the first comma, and the next every two digit you are placing the commas in Indian system of numeration. But in international system of numeration, for every three digit you are using the commas. I hope you are very clear in use of commas in international system of numeration. Next children, we are going to see about what are the periods in international system of numeration. In Indian system also we have periods. Similarly, in international system also you have periods. What are the periods in international system? You have three periods. One is ones, next thousands and millions. These are the three periods in international system of numeration. Okay. And what are the place value comes under the period ones? As in the Indian system, the place value ones, tens, hundreds. These three place values comes under the period ones. Do you understand, children? And then what are the place value comes under thousand is thousand, 10,000, 100,000. This is the new term you are going to see here. You are seeing here 100,000, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. These are the three place value comes under the period 1000. And next period is million. What are the place value comes under million is millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Do you understand, children? What are the place value? Millions. How do you pronounce it? Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Now we are going to read all these place values now. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Up to this, you have the same place value in Indian system also. Okay. Up to this, you have the same place value in Indian system. That is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. After the 10,000, you have what the place value in Indian system? Yes, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Instead of lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, here you have 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Do you understand, children? Here also you have three place values. In Indian system also you have 9 place values. In international system also you have the 9 place value. Once again you are going to read this. Okay, read along with me, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Are you clear, children? Now, children, you are seeing place value chart for international system of numeration. From this place value chart, you can easily understand what are the periods in international system and what are the place values comes under the each period, and how can you read the number by using international system. Okay, see the chart, children. What are the periods in international system? It have only three periods. They are ones, thousands, millions. Okay, under ones, how many place values are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, as in the Indian system. And under the thousands, you have thousands, 10,000s. Up to 10,000s, you have the same place value as in the Indian system. Instead of, after the 10,000, in Indian system, you have lakh. Instead of lakh, here you are having 100,000. These three place value comes under the period of thousands. Similarly, after the 10 lakh, crore and 10 crores, you have the place value in the Indian system. Instead of the place values, here we are having millions, 10 millions, 100 millions under the period of millions. It's clear, children. Next, we are going to read these numbers by using international system. Before you read the number, you have to place the comma by using international system. By international system, how we are placing comma? Starting from the right. Every time I am saying use of comma, I am saying starting from the right only. it should be round. You have to start from the right only. Starting from the right, after every 3 digit, you have to place the comma. Then 1, 2, 3. After that, we are placing 1 comma. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. After that, we are placing 1 comma. 1, 2, 3. After that, we are placing 1 comma. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. You are placing 1 comma. 1, 2, 3. After these 3 digits, we are placing the next comma. Before that, we have only 2 digits. So we are starting up to this. Before this comma, you have only 1 digit. So you are starting up to this. Similarly, see this number. In this number, you have only 9 digits, children. So first you are counting 1, 2, 3. You are placing first comma. 1, 2, 3. You are placing the next comma. 1, 2, 3. Before that, you don't have any number. So you have to stop up to this. Do you understand how to place commas by using international system? Next, we are going to place these digits in their corresponding places, children. Okay? See the first one. It is a 6-digit number. First, you are going to write the 2 in its place. 2 is present in 1's place. So, you have to write the 2 in 1's place. Next, 1 is present in 10's place. Thus, you are writing 1 in 10's place. Similarly, 4 is present in 100's place. That's why we are writing 4 in 100's place. Similarly, what is the next number? 6. 6 is present in which place? 1000's place. Thus, we are writing 6 in 1000's place. Like that, 8 in 10,000's place. Right? Like 2 in 100,000's place. Okay, children, we understand how we are writing the number in their corresponding places. See, children, you have to read the period of number as a whole. Okay. In this number, there are only 2 periods. In your homework today, you have one sum like this. In that sum, what they are asking is, you have to place the commas between the numbers as per the system. As per the system means, Indian system means, you have to place the commas by using the Indian system. That is, first 3 digit and the next every 2 digit. As per the international system means, every 3 digit. Okay, you have to place the comma after every 3 digit. And you have to write the names of the periods which comes under that number. Like, see this example, 286412. It's a 6-digit number. In this number, it's covered only the 2 periods only. What are the 2 periods? Ones and thousand. See, children, there is no number in the period of millions. So, if the sum is like this, that is 6-digit number means you have to place the comma like this. After placing the comma, you have to write the periods equal to ones, thousand only. No need to write the million. It's clear, children. Similarly, see this sum. We have placed the digits in their corresponding places. But it is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-digit number. We have one more digit. So you are placing the 6 in millions place. Now, children, how do you write the periods for this number? See, children. 975 this comes under the period of ones. So you are writing the ones period. 143 it comes under the period of thousand. So you are writing the thousands period. But 6 among these 3 place values, only one number is entered. Though one number is entered, you have to write the name of the periods. What is the name of the periods? Millions. So what are the periods covered by this number is ones, thousand, millions. Do you understand, children? What are the periods covered by this number? Ones, thousand. Ones, thousand. That's all. What are the periods covered by this number? Ones, thousand, millions. Even a single number entered in this period, you have to write the name of the period. Similarly, how many periods this number cover? Ones, thousand, million. Similarly, this one also. Do you understand, children? How you are going to place the commas, how you are going to write the name of the periods. Next, children, we are going to read this number by using international system. You can easily read this number by using Indian system. Now, we are going to read this number by using international system. Listen carefully, children. As I said before, you have to read the period of number as whole. This is one period of number 286. So you have to read this number as whole. 286. While you are saying 286 in international system, you no need to use the conjunction and for the period of millions, thousands. You have to use the conjunction and in both Indian system and international system in the period of ones only. Do you understand what I am saying, children. You have to use the conjunction and in ones period only. See, children, in ones period you are having 4, 1, 12. You have to read it as 412, 975, 728, 146. But if you are reading this number 200 and don't read like this. 286, 143, 564, 837. Similarly, here also you have to read 592. Do you understand, children? You have to read this number as 4 and you don't use the conjunction, and in the period of millions, thousands, you have to use the conjunction and in ones place, ones period in both Indian system as well as the international system. Now we are going to read this number by international system. As in the Indian system, you have to say the last number, that is right hand side number of the in the period its place value. See, children, 286412. 2 is present in 100,000 place and 8 is present in 10,000 place, 16 present in 1000 place. This is the one period of number. So you have to say the place value of 6 only. So you have to read it as 412. It is very easy one. See the next one. How do you read this? This is the one period. In this period you have only one number. Its place value is million. So you have to read it as 6 million. In this period you have 3 numbers. You have to read it as 143. What is the place value of 3? Thousands. So 143,975. Do you understand, children? Once again we are going to say the name. 6,143,975. Do you understand, children? Next we are going to read this number. Okay, this is one period of number. Here we don't have any number, so this is 31. You have to read this number as 31. This is the million period. Okay, you have to read this million of number as your whole. So you read this number as whole. 31. What is the base value of 1 million? So 31 million. You have to read this number as whole. 564. What is the base value of 4? Thousands. 564,728. Okay, it's clear, children. Next you will read this number. This is one period of number. How do you read this? 592 millions. 837,146. It's clear, children. In this way only you have to read this number by using international system of numeration. It's clear, children. Thus, children, now we are writing the number names, okay, by using international system. See this example, children. We have already seen this example in the place value chart of international system. Okay, read this number. How do you read this number, children? 6 million. It is one period of number. This is one period of number. 143,975. See, children, while writing the number name, you have to use the conjunction and here only, not here. 100 and don't write here and you have to write it as 143,000. 6,143,975. It's clear, children. See the next one. I have written the place value here for thousand and million only. Okay, this is place value of ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Similarly, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. But we are writing the place value of this number only. Place value of this number only. That is in the period at the last number. You are writing the place value of that last number. That is right hand side number only. That's why I am writing the place value of thousand and million only. Okay. How do you write the name for this number? Okay. 31 million. That is 31 million. And then You have to read this number as whole. 500, don't use and. 564,000. 564,000. And the next 728. Thus you are writing 728. You have to use the conjunction and in the period of ones, not in other periods. That is thousands period, millions period. In both Indian system also. Okay. Next, what is the number? This number contains 9 digits children. First you are writing 592. I am writing these three values as well. Okay? You can easily understand. 592 million. What is the base value of 2? Million. That's why you are writing million. 592 million. Next, 837,000. 837,000. Next, 146. Similarly, similar to this problem, you have the homework sum. Okay, so observe this number name carefully, children. Do you understand, children? Next, children, you are having one comparison between Indian system and the international system. In your book, the international system of place value chart, they also given the comparison of Indian system and international system in the bottom of the place value chart of international system. Okay, in your classwork I can given that. Okay, but while I am teaching, I draw only the international system of place value chart only. Okay, now see, children, this is a simple understanding which make you Indian system and international system very easily, children. What are the place values of Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. These are the 9 place values in Indian system of numeration. What are the place values in international system of numeration? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. These are the place value in international system. Now we are comparing these place values. Okay, up to this, children, see these yellow color place values. These are same in both system, Indian system and international system. These 5 places are same only. After that, instead of lakh, we are having here 100,000. Instead of 10 lakhs, we are having here million. For crore, we are having 10 million. For 10 crores, you are having 100 millions. That's why in short, in your book, they given as a note. What is the note is, what is 100,000 is equal to? What is 100,000 equal to? See this one. 100,000, where is 100,000 here? 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So that is 100,000 equal to 1 lakh. Do you understand, children? What is 1 million equal to? See this comparison chart. 1 million is equal to, that's very good, 10 lakhs. What is 10 million is equal to? 10 million is equal to 1 crore. Similarly, 100 million is equal to 10 crores. Do you understand, children? 100,000 equal to 1 lakh, 1 million equal to 10 lakh, 10 million equal to 1 crore, 100 million equal to 10 crores. Do you understand, children? Do you have a clear idea about this international system, children? Next, children, we are going to see example 3. What is example 3 is, write the numerals for the following number names. Or write the numerals. What is the numerals means? We have to write the number for the given number names. In this example, you have A, B, C, D, E, 5 sums. Among the 5 sums, I am doing here only 2 sums, children. What is the first one is 4,378,921. In which system they are using? Write the number name. Yes, they are using international system. They are using the international system by writing this number name. Okay, now we are going to write the number for this number name. Okay, before that you have to draw the place value box like this. Okay, that is, you have to write in this box, you have to write the place value of international system. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. After that, now we are going to write the numbers in their places. Okay, read the question once again. 4 million. So 4 is in the place of million. So instead to the million, we have to write 4 here. That's 4 million. And the next 378,000. That is 18,000 place. So you have to write 18,000 place. That is 378. So you are writing 378. 378,000. 378,000. It's clear, children. Next, it is very easy. 921. Thus, you can easily write 921. Next, we are going to write this number here. Okay, this is the record number. Record number equal to write this number 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1. Write this. After that, we are using the international system. So you have to place the comma every 3 digit. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, it's clear, children. Next, see this last example. The question is very simple, but the answer is little tough. Okay, what is the question? 2 crore 3 lakh and 7. 2 crore 3 lakh and 7. This is using Indian system. Okay, what are the place value of Indian system? Similar to that, you also draw the box like this. What are the place value? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, children, these are the place values. Now we are going to write the numbers here. Okay, what is first here? 2 crore. So in the place value of crore, you have to write the number 2. That's why we are writing 2 here in the place of crore. 2. Then 3 lakhs. In the place value of lakhs, we have 3. So we are writing in the place value of lakh, we are writing 3. And then 7. 7, it is a single digit number. So it is in the ones place. So we are writing 7 here. What are the remaining places? Remaining places are empty. So we have to put the 0 here. Don't put 0 in front of the number, children. You have to, in between the number only, you have to add zeros. Don't write 0 here or there places. Okay? You have to add 0 in these places. Next, we are going to write this number here. 2, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7. They are using Indian system of numeration. So you have to place the comma starting from the right first 3 digit. Next, you have 2 digit. We are placing the commas. Now you read this number 2 crore 3 lakhs and 7. That's it, children. I hope you have understand every concept.